Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have the 2020 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. This one is certified pre-owned. 25,000 miles on it, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. This one is dynamic sunstone over graphite. Go into the menu. Nice and responsive. Yeah, that's really responsive. I like that. Cool. That's how you zoom in and out on your map. Drive mode, got personal, sport plus, sport, standard, eco, and snow. We'll be in sport plus. All right. This one does have your 360 camera, as well as your illuminated emblem, which last night was really cool. I actually took this car home last night, get some feedback on it, spend some time with it. I really just kind of gather my thoughts. All in all, it is an awesome machine. Very comfortable car for just cruising around, being a daily driver. But then, once you want to have some fun, you can of course put it into your manual mode, use these metal shifters behind the wheel, and you got yourself a really capable sports car. After all, 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque is nothing to laugh at. That is very quick. That's 7-speed automatic. A lot of people complain about it. Do I wish it was a DCT? Yes, of course. Could it be a bit quicker? Yes. In this application though, it's perfect. There's options in the aftermarket to tune it, change out the transmission fluid, and you can make it exactly the way you want. The aftermarket on these is huge, and they're very nice enhancements too. You have tunes, you have, like I said, transmission fluid changes. So it's all, this thing can be an absolute monster, and I don't think a lot of people in the car community realize that, just how capable these things can be, especially with the new Nissan Z using this motor, the 3-liter twin turbo V6. The aftermarket's just gonna grow on these. So you can tell there, the 7-speed shifts quick. It really kind of does what you want. When you bury the brake pedal, it will downshift for you, keep you in the power band. It's a really decent transmission. One of the better torque converters that I've driven. There's your forward collision warning. This car is very, very highly optioned. You have your sensory pack, you have proactive assist. This thing is very, very highly optioned. I think this one was around 65,000, maybe a little less new, but definitely up there. Which also means this has the direct adaptive steering. At first, I was not a fan. I'm like, there should always be a connection to the wheels. And in reality, there is. If the car were to lose power, there is a steering rack there. A clutch will engage, and you have connection to the front wheels. For 2022, they got rid of direct adaptive steer. But after spending some time with it, takes a tiny bit of getting used to. But if you don't sit there and you think about it, you're not going to notice. And it does provide the feedback that you want without being intrusive and picking up every single road imperfection. You know what the front wheels are up to, but you're not bombarded by tons of information that you can't make any sense out of. You can't tell, I am a big fan of these cars. They are just that good. So you can tell downshifts are quick. This 7-speed's not bad. So many people complain about it, but honestly, it's fine. I do love these paddles too. These things, oh, I think these came as part of the sensory pack, but they are good. They are really, really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.